Henry, can you say blanket?
Blanket.
Butter?
Butter.
Button.
Button.
Boobies.
Boobies.
Bees.
Bees.
Book.
Book.
Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? We're not going bye-bye. Just say bye-bye. Where are you going? Henny, come back. Hey, come back.
Baboos.
Oh, you can say baboos. Can you say
Baboos.
ball?
Baboos.
Baboos. Can you say ball?
Bow.
Can you say bargain?
Wagon.
Can you say ballistic?
Pro.
What's another B word? Brain. Can you say brain?